Write Vyanjan. Ka, kha, ga, ga, ang. Till ha you have to write.
Okay, ma'am.
Come on, pass. You all know to write? Is there anyone who doesn't know to write?
Finished, ma'am. K, k, g, g, ang.
Till ha you have to write. Ka, kha, ga, ga, ang. Cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. Ta,
Okay.
da, da, na. Ta, ta, da, da, na. Five letters you have to write. Ya,
Okay, ma'am.
ra, la, va, sha, sha, sa, ha. Till ha you have to write.
Okay, ma'am.
Come on, start writing. If you don't know, look at the screen and write. Yes, ma?
Namaste, Adhyapika ji.
Namaste, ma Shravan. Take your notebook and write ma Vyanjan, Shravan. Take your Hindi notebook. Write Vyanjan from ka, kha, ga, ga, ang till sha, sha, sa, ha.
Okay, ma'am.
These three letters you need not write, children. Today we'll learn and then afterwards we'll write. The letters which I have circled, please don't write. Till her. Here you have her. Till her you write.
Ma'am, namaste.
What, ma?
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste, ma. Nivin Suryava.
Yes, ma'am.
Namaste, ma. Take your notebook and write. Take your Hindi notebook. Ka, kha, ga, ga, ang. Cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. Ta, tha, da, da, na. Ta, tha, da, da, na. Pa, fa, ba, bha, ma. Ya, ra, la, va. sh, h.
Good afternoon, Guruji ma'am.
Good afternoon, Guruji. What type of wishing is this? Good afternoon in English and Guruji in Hindi. ऐसे बोलते हैं नमस्ते गुरुजी. भूल गए क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ? How
Namaste,
dare you
Guruji
say
ma'am.
Lakshman? Apple. Come on, take your notebook and write ka, kha, ga, ga until ha. You have to write.
Okay, ma'am.
Right.
Write today's date and start writing.
Is on. Right. IZAAN.
Izan, you forgot your name also, va? Spelling your mama is saying IZAAN. Oh my god. Chucho. Right fast.
Namaste, Guruji ma'am.
Namaste, Malak. Take your Hindi notebook and write ma ka, kha, ga, ga, ang. Till ha you have to
Okay,
write.
ma'am. Okay.
Fast, very fast.
Okay.
Is there anyone who finished writing?
I am still writing,
If
ma'am.
you have doubt only, you should look at the screen and write. Or else you should write on your own, everyone. If you have any doubts, you can look at the screen. Should not look every letters at the screen and write. You don't know how to write each letter. Grithvik, finish.
No, ma'am. I writing. Finish, ma'am.
Very good, ma, Grithvik. Check whether you have written correctly.
I write it correctly, ma'am.
Very good, ma. Take your reader, Hindi reader.
Okay, ma'am.
Page number 36. Sorry. 1 minute. 38.
I finished, ma'am.
Very good, ma. Satvish, take page number 38. Take your Hindi reader.
Finished, ma'am.
Come on. Take your Hindi book. Page number 38. Pa.
I find it for page, ma'am.
Pa say.
Patang.
Huh?
What say patang?
Patang, which is patang?
Excuse me.
Kite.
Kite.
Pa say.
What, ma'am?
Pa say.
What say? Palaga. Palang.
Ing. The dot sounds ing. Ing. Palang.
Palang.
Next one. Pa say.
Papita.
Which one? This one. Papita. Okay. This one. Pa say.
What say?
Pahiya.
Pahiya.
Pa say.
Pase water.
Va it the. Half the. That is half the. Not full the. Va it the. Patta.
Patta.
Leaf.
Leaf.
Very good. Dayanand.
Yes,
Fur.
ma'am.
Fur. Come on. Fur say.
Pase
Hmm.
full.
Fal. Fur say.
Pase fountain.
Fur say. Fur say fountain. Ah. Fur say favvare.
Pase favare.
Mountain. Next one. Fur say. Read the letters, ma. You know the letter fur. Next one.
Ya.
Sa.
Sa.
Farsa.
Pasa.
Next one. Fur say. Fakir.
Pase
Fur say fakir. This one. This you read easy only. Fur.
fasal.
Hmm. Fasal. Fasal.
Fasal.
Very good. Next is who finished my next? Satvik.
Yes, ma'am. Finished. Yes, ma'am. Ba.
Birthday.
Pase batak.
Battak, okay. Next one, birthday.
Bakari. Bakari.
Very good. Birthday.
Bus.
But very good. Birthday.
Ba. Ra. Ha. Na. Ba. Ra. Tha. Na. Button.
Very good, ma Satvik. Bartan. Next one. Very good. Next one.
Ba. Ba.
Bar.
Ra.
Bar. Like this, you have to split it, ma. Satvik. Wait, ma Satvik. Satvik, you have ba, ra, ga, da. Yes. Now you are going to split it into two. Ba, ra is bar. Ga, da is gad. Together, when you blend it, it becomes bargad. Bargad. Okay, like that you have to split it first and then only you have to read. Okay, this is a big word, no? It is not the two-letter words which we learned already. This is big word. So you have to split it and then only you have to read. Okay? In future, try like that. Okay, very good, ma Satvik. Next is Lakshya.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, ma. Check whether I have written correctly. Lak.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Book, everyone take your Hindi book. Page number is 41. Lakshya.
Bo. Bose. Bawan.
Very
Bose.
good.
Batti.
Batti, very good.
Bose. Bolton.
Bartan or Bagona?
Banana. Bose. Bunny.
Bhavani. Bhavani.
Read it.
Bhavani.
Bhavani. Okay, next.
Bhavani. Bose. Bhagwata.
Bhagwata. Is it written as Bhagwata?
Bhagat, ma'am. Bhagat.
Bhagwata. Bhagat. Okay? Very good, Malak. Next it's going to be Roshan.
Ma.
Roshan.
Ani.
Ma. Ma say. Very good. Hmm. Makdi, very good. Matar, very good. Ma,
Loud.
half ka, that is half ka. Ma, ik, ka. Makka. Half ka. So it is ik. Ma, ik, ka. Makka. On. Next one. Nagar, very good. Well done, Maroshan. Thank you so much. Next is Shravan. Shravan,
Yes, ma'am.
what letter is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, say
Yes,
Yajna. Next one.
yes,
Mm.
Yati.
Good.
Yamuna.
Very nice. Very good, ma. Well done. Next, it's going to be whom shall I ask? Arjun. Arjun. What letter is it, Marjun? Arjun. R. Now, R say. Read the letter, ma. Rat. Ra, ta, rat. Next one. Rakshak. Very good. Ra say. Ra. It. Na. Ratna. Ra. It. Na. Ratna. Next one. This one. This one, ma. Ra is C. Rassi. Rope. Okay. Very good, ma. Arjun. Next is who didn't say? Izan. Izan. Yeah, good, ma, Arjun. What letter is it?
What action is that? La.
ma'am.
La say.
Ladki, ma'am.
La say.
What is that?
La.
Lad.
Laddu, ma'am.
Lattu. Okay. La say.
Lasun.
Lasun, ma'am.
Lasun. Garlic. La say.
Laddu, ma'am.
Laddu. This you know very well, Laddu. Hmm? Okay. Thank you so much, Izan. Next is Ryan. Ryan.
Se wakil.
Hmm.
Se
Vaka. What is vaka? Vaka. Next one. Next one.
Sound
Correct. Vazna. Vazna.
Sound
Next one. Good ma. Next one. Varsha. Say Varsha. Varsha. Rain. Next one. Say. Va.
Jungle.
Read the word, ma. Read the letter. It's easy only. Va.
Now.
One. Very good. Bun. Bun. Very good. Next is sh. Children, all of you take this sh. Sh. Last class we learned. Sh. Sh say Sharifa. Sharifa. Sh say Shalgam. Shalgam. Sha. La. Ga. Ma. Shalgam. You can read the word. Shalagama. Shalgam. Shala. Shal. You have to split and read, children. 2-letter words, we'll read it easily. But when you get 4 letters like this, you have to split it into 2. Shala is shal. Gama is gum. So shal gum. Shalgam. Split it and then you have to read. Next one is Sharabata. Here also how will you split it? First is Shara, Shar. Bata, Bat. Together when you blend it, it becomes Sharbat. Shara is Shar, Bata is Bat. Together when you blend it, it becomes Sharbat. Next is Shahad. Shahada. Shahad. Ryan. Shahada. Shahad. Arjun. Listen, Arjun. This also you can split it into 2. Shaha is Shaha. Na-i. Na-i. Shahanai. Okay? It's a musical instrument. Take the next page. Second Sha. Second Sha. Dayanand. What, ma? Why so upset, Dayanand? What happened? What, ma? Dayanand.
Yes, ma'am.
Why? What happened? Why are you crying?
Ma'am,
Speak to ma'am. Come on. What is there? Share with ma'am. What happened?
the page is all broken.
It's okay. When you apply Fevicol in that and when you stick it, it is going to be okay. For that you will cry now. Shall I say shame? No. Dayanand is a grown-up boy. You will not cry for that. Okay? Ask your parents or grandparents to buy a Fevicol, apply it and stick it. It is going to stick. It all happens. Should not get upset for that. Okay? Yes? Yes or no? Okay. Smile. Wipe your eyes. See, I also tore a page in this book. What to do? I am also grown up. Try to make mistakes. Okay? Don't worry for that. Okay, ma? No cry. Come on, listen. Cha. Sha say Shatkon. Hexagon. Sha say Shatkon. Hexagon. Sha say Shatpad. It's an insect, okay? Sha say Shatpad. Next one is Sa. 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 Right itself we have to write. And then a sleeping line in between and a standing line makes the letter Sa. Okay, Sa say Sabjam. Sa say Sabjiyan. Next is Sa say Samachar Patra. Samachar Patra. Here also you can split and read. Sama. Char. Samachar Patra. Patra. Samachar Patra. Next is Sa say Sadak. Sadak. Next is Sa say circus. How will you split this circus? Who is going to split and read it now? Shravan, split and read circus. Split the word circus and read. Show how will you read?
Circus.
Yes, very good. Circus. Circus. Okay, very good, Master. Take the next page. Her page. Well tried, children. Very good. All are learning very well. Next is her. Her. Her say, what is this? Her, la. What is her, la?
Hull, ma'am.
Hull. Very good. Her, la. Hull. Very good. Plow. Next is her say, haldi. Turmeric. Her say, haldi. Turmeric. Next one. Her say, hateli. Palm. Her say, hateli. Palm. Next is her say, halwai. Halwai. Hal, hal. Vai. Vai. Halwai. Okay. Next one is Hanuman. Okay. Today the new letter we are going to learn is Sha. Sha. It's not Sha. We learned Sha, Sha, Sa, Ha. Not that Sha. This begins with the Ik sound. Ksha. When you say the word rickshaw, iksha you say, no? Like that you have to pronounce. Ksha. Iksha. Ksha. Along with the ik sound you will pronounce. This is not simply sha. Sha means this only you will say blankly as sha and this is sha, second sha. Okay? But this letter is iksha, ksha. With ik sound it you have to pronounce. Iksha. Ksha, okay? Ksha say sikshak. Here also can you hear the ik sound before that sha? Sikshak. Sik. Shik, sorry. Sikshak. Shikshak. Ksha. Here. Shikshak. Next one is Kshatriya. Kshatriya. Kshatriya is a warrior. Sikshak is a teacher. Okay, next one is Kaksha. Can you hear the ik sound here? Kaksha. Before that sha sound, you can hear one ik sound. Can you hear that? Kaksha. Yes or no? Can you hear it? Kaksha. Kaksha. Very good. Next is Kshama. Kshama. Kshama means apology. You will say sorry, no? Kshama karo. Sorry. Kshama. Along with ik sound, you have to say this, children. Don't confuse with sha. This is ksha. Okay. First one is shikshak. Kaksha. Kshatriya. Kshama. Kshama. Okay. Next is tra. 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 Okay, tra. When you pronounce Trishul, tra, tra. Tra, tra. T-H-R-A sound, tra. This is tra. Tra say Trishul. Tra say Trishul. Satvik, listen. Tra say Trishul. Tra say Chatra, student. Tra, cha, tra. Chatra, student. Tra say chatra. Here you can see the word and you can also read it cha, second cha and tra. Chatra. Chatra, chatra. Okay? And the final one, patra. Patra, patra. Patra, patra. Patra, patra. First one is Trishul. Second one is Chatra. Third is Patra. And the fourth is Chatra. Here, Nya. Nya. Nya say Yajna. Jnani. Jnani, this is Nya. Nya. Not that nya, cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. Not that nya. This is nya. Along with g sound, you will get nya. Nyan, Nyani, Yajna. Okay, Nya. Okay, now I want you to take the candy book. We have already written that words, no? Blending words. Page number is 106. First, we wrote 5 letters on that day. Till Kamal we have written. Till Kamal we have written, right? Today we are going to write the rest of the letters. I want anyone to read this letter. Read this word. Page number 106. Arjun, read.
Lahal.
Very good. Arjun.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the word.
Okay, ma'am.
Below that Kamal, below that lotus, you will have one word. What is that? La. Hmm. Ra. Lahar. Ryan. Very good, Marjan. Ryan, I want you to read the next word.
Sha, la,
Hmm.
ga, gum.
Ma. What is Shala? Shala.
Shall, gum.
Gama, gum. Together. Together.
Shalgam.
Shalgam. Very good, Marayan. Next is Roshan. Roshan.
Kan.
Very good. Ach, kana, kan. Very good, Ma Roshan. Achkan. Well done. Come on, write all of you. Leher, Shalgam. Welcome, Ma. Leher, Shalgam, Achkan. Right, Ma Rayan? And here, those are finished. Next page, that is 107. Shravan. Shravan. From honey. Read the word honey. Louder, Ma Shravan. Why I am not able to hear you?
Shahad.
Very good, Shravan. Shahad. Very good. Thank you so much. Next is Masvin. After Shahad, 107 page. What do you have?
Na,
Hmm.
ya,
Hmm.
na.
Hmm.
నాయా ఏంటి
Nayana.
Nal.
Nayana Nalla. Is it so?
Maya.
Nayana. Nayan.
Nayan.
Nayan. Okay, very good. In Tamil only, the ending sound you will pronounce it as it is, children. But in Hindi, the ending sound will be the half word only. Okay, if it is na also, you have to pronounce it as in. If it is la, you will pronounce it as il. If it is ma, you will pronounce it as Okay, in Hindi, like that only you will pronounce. Even if it is na, you have to say only the half word, like that. While pronouncing, you have to pronounce like that only. Okay? Next, who shall I ask? Izan.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, read this word.
Ka,
Hmm.
ta,
Hmm.
ha
ha,
Kata. What is kata?
cotton.
cut
Kata is cut. Hala.
hala
Hell.
Hal together. Very good. Kathal. What is kathal?
what is that
Jackfruit.
Very good, Izan.
Very good.
Kathal, jackfruit. Well done. You can write in your notebook, ma, if you want.
Thank you,
You
ma'am.
don't have book also. Next is I'm going to ask Satvik. Satvik. Satvik.
Yes, ma'am. Ka. Ka. Ka.
Kasa. What is kasa?
Ka. Sa. Ka.
Kasa.
Ra. Ratha. Rat.
Kasa is kast. Rata is rat. Together.
Kasarat.
Kasrat.
Kasrat.
Very good, ma Satvik. Kasrat. Very good. Exercise. Very good. Well done. Come on, finish all the words, children.
I write it all the words, ma'am.
Really?
Yeah.
Come on, read it one more time and show it to me. Come on, read and show. Read, let me hear. Ritvik. First one, ka. Very good, mother.
First one, ma'am. La. Ra.
Huh? What are you reading? I told you to read these words.
Is this words, ma'am?
Ma'am, only this paper or this second one also is has to finish.
Sorry, this already we finished till matter, no?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Till
Okay,
matter we are
okay.
finished, and then from Shahad we are going to write.
Okay, ma'am. Sure. Right. Full now.
Ka, pa, cup. Ritvik, this one, ma. Ka, pa, cup. Like that we
Okay,
have to do.
cup.
Hmm.
Fal. Fal.
Hmm.
Gar. Gar.
Hmm.
Ba. Yana. Lahan.
Good.
Ka. Nala. Kamal.
Good.
La. 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 La.
La, ha.
La. Ra.
La, ha, ra. Lahar.
Lahar.
Next one.
Chalgam.
Chalgam. Very good.
Achakana.
What is acha?
Acha. Ach.
Kana, kan, achkan.
Achkan.
Very good. Thank you so much, Margaret. We finished, everyone? How many of you finished? Ritvik finished. Dayanand finished. Those who are finished, you can leave. Show it to me and then you can leave.
Finish, ma'am.
Show me your book, Nevin. Lift it up.
Ma'am, can you please share the pages, ma'am, like screenshots?
Ma'am, finish.
Yeah, good one, Nevin. Priya.
Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Masin finish. Very good, Maswin. Shukriya, you can leave.
Shukriya, ma'am.
Yeah, Shukriya, Mama.
Ma'am, can you please share the screenshots, please?
Screen, I can show you the book.
Fine. I'll take the screenshots. Yeah. Okay. The next page, ma'am. The before page. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, ma'am. Done.
Another?
Thanks. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Others? Laksh, finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Next who else? Roshan, finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Laksh.
Shukriya, ma'am. Bye.
Yeah, Shukriya, love.
Bye, ma'am.
Very good, Shravan.